this video, I am going to guide you about Whole Translation app, which is built in every iPhone. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First open Translation app, and it is not on the home screen. Then go to App Library and search for it. Now this is the interface of Translation app. The first option is Basic 1. It means you simply have to speak or write the language in first tab, whichever you want to translate. And the second tab will provide you the translated language in written form. Here you can select language on your will. The second option is camera translation. It means if you are buying anything or you are on a road and don't know about the written signals, you have to click a picture, and this app will translate that picture into your language. So this one is quite interesting. The last one is for conversation between two people. Here, if I write anything, this app translates it and provides a written and voice form both, so it makes it very easy for both listener and speaker to understand.
Este es el iPhone.
At the top right corner, when you open three dots, you will get these options. You can download other languages, turn on auto-translate, play translations, etc. So you can use these extra features as well. That's it for the video so far. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.